Hello car enthusiasts, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to review the Lexus LBX, a model that marks a new chapter in the luxury car world. This car, with its stunning design and superior performance, is the new face of Lexus in the compact SUV segment. The Lexus LBX is the latest addition to the brand's extensive lineup and is expected to make a significant impact in the small SUV market. In our video, we will cover every detail from exterior design to interior design, from engine and performance to driving safety systems. If you want to get a closer look at this exciting vehicle, make sure to watch our video till the end. The exterior design of the Lexus LBX maintains the brand's signature spindle grille, offering a modern and dynamic look. This front grille enhances the vehicle's aggressive and powerful stance. The slim and sharp LED headlights at the front add a touch of sophistication and technology to the car. Additionally, the integrated daytime running lights make you more noticeable, especially during city driving. Looking at the side profile, the defined lines and aerodynamic structure stand out. The lines at the lower part of the doors give the car a dynamic appearance and also contribute to aerodynamics. The 18-inch alloy wheels perfectly blend aesthetics and functionality, enhancing the vehicle's road grip. At the rear, the sleek LED taillights and sporty diffuser catch the eye. These features highlight the car's modern and sporty identity. Additionally, the roof spoiler and dual exhaust outlets further support the vehicle's sporty character. All these details reinforce the luxurious and sporty appearance of the Lexus LBX, ensuring you stand out on the road. Stepping into the interior of the Lexus LBX, you are greeted by high-quality materials and meticulously thought-out details. Lexus's omotenashi philosophy is felt in every corner of the interior. Leather upholstery, wood, and metallic details create a sophisticated atmosphere inside the vehicle. Ergonomically designed seats for both the driver and passengers ensure superior comfort even on long journeys. The 12.3-inch touchscreen located in the center console provides easy access and use for both the driver and passengers. This screen allows quick and easy access to the navigation system, media, and vehicle settings. Moreover, modern technologies like the wireless charging unit, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility make your journeys more enjoyable. The dual-zone automatic climate control system keeps all passengers at the utmost comfort level. Additionally, thanks to the noise insulation technology in the vehicle, external noises are minimized, offering a quiet and peaceful driving experience. The spacious interior and comfortable seats are particularly advantageous for families and drivers who embark on long journeys. The Lexus LBX features a 1.5-liter three-cylinder hybrid engine that stands out. This engine produces a total of 114 horsepower, providing satisfying performance for both city driving and long-distance journeys. The hybrid system uses both the gasoline engine and the electric motor, providing extra power when needed and increasing fuel efficiency. This also makes the vehicle an eco-friendly option. The eCVT automatic transmission offers a smooth and seamless driving experience. This transmission ensures a comfortable and pleasant experience both in city traffic and on highways. Thanks to hybrid technology, fuel consumption remains at very low levels, which translates into significant savings for drivers in the long run. The Lexus LBX accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in about 9.2 seconds, positioning itself as a strong contender in the compact SUV segment. All models share a 1.5-liter three-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, that delivers 67 kilograms at 5,500 RPM and 120 Nm of torque between 3,800 4,800 RPM, combined with an electric motor producing 69 kV 185 Nim. The hybrid battery features a nickel-metal hydride composition and is located under the rear seat. The sports luxury AWD variant adds an electric motor to the rear axle, replacing the torsion beam of the 2WD models with an independent rear suspension design. The three-cylinder hybrid powertrain in all models has a maximum combined output of 100 kWh, with a combined cycle fuel consumption of 3.8 liters per 100 kilometers and an average CO2 emission of 85 grams per kilometer. The Lexus LBX meets expectations in terms of driving comfort and safety. The vehicle features advanced safety technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, making every journey safer. The adaptive cruise control adjusts your speed automatically to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead, ensuring a secure driving experience. The vehicle also includes a 360-degree camera system and parking assistant technologies. These features provide great convenience, especially in city driving and parking maneuvers. The 360-degree camera system allows you to see all around the vehicle, offering a significant advantage while parking or maneuvering in tight spaces. The suspension system of the Lexus LBX enhances road grip while maintaining top-level driving comfort. Bumps and potholes on the road are minimally felt thanks to the suspension system. Additionally, features like the collision prevention system and pedestrian detection technology increase your driving safety. All these safety and driving support systems make the Lexus LBX one of the safest vehicles in its class. The Lexus LBX is positioned as a competitor to models such as the BMW X1, Audi Q3, and Mercedes-Benz GLA in the luxury compact SUV segment. This segment targets customers who prefer agile and luxurious vehicles that are particularly suitable for urban use. The LBX's hybrid system reflects Lexus's commitment to environmentally friendly technologies. It offers low fuel consumption and CO2 emissions, thus causing less harm to the environment. Additionally, the use of sustainable materials in the vehicle's production aims to minimize environmental impact. The LBX holds a significant place in the European and Asian markets. With this model, Lexus aims to reach a broader customer base in the compact SUV segment. It was first launched in 2024 and has garnered significant interest. We have come to the end of our detailed review of the Lexus LBX. With its stylish design, superior performance, and advanced safety features, this vehicle sets a new standard in the compact SUV segment. If you want to see the Lexus LBX up close and take a test drive, don't forget to visit your nearest Lexus dealer. If you liked our video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.